Host, energetic. Ever pondered on the best way to grow your wealth? Welcome back to The Update, where we demystify the world of finance and investments. And today we're venturing into the thrilling sphere of investment options. Ready to unlock the secrets of successful investing? Hit that like button, subscribe to The Update, and join us on this enlightening journey. Host, informative. First off, we shine a light on the importance of investing. It's the cornerstone of wealth building and a secure financial future. Understanding why investing matters is the first step in your journey to financial freedom. Host, explaining stocks. Now we delve into the bustling world of the stock market. A popular choice for many, stocks offer potential for significant growth. We'll dissect how stocks work and why they might be a good fit for your investment portfolio. Host, discussing real estate. Next up, we explore the realm of real estate investments. From rental properties to real estate investment trusts, we'll unravel the various options available and their potential returns. Host, explaining bonds. For those seeking stability and regular income, bonds and fixed income investments beckon. We'll demystify how these investments function and why they could be a smart choice for you. Host, discussing funds. Looking for diversification and convenience? Mutual funds and ETFs could be your answer. We'll delve into the benefits of these funds and how they differ from each other. Host, exploring alternatives. Finally, we venture into the world of alternative investments. From commodities and cryptocurrencies to startups, these can add a unique flavor to your portfolio. We'll dissect these options and their potential benefits. Host, enthusiastic. And there we have it, our exploration of different investment options. The investment universe is vast and understanding. Your choices is the first step towards successful investing. If you found these insights valuable, do hit that like button, subscribe to The Update, and share your thoughts in the comments. Here's to making informed investment decisions and securing your financial future. Until our next video, keep exploring. Scene script. Host, fade out with the host talking about future investment topics. Remember to use these tags to boost your video's visibility. Just copy and paste these tags when uploading your video to YouTube. End voiceover.